We can add synchronized audio to any video in the application. Pick a video from the thumbnail strip, describe the sound you want, room ambience, music, nature, and the application generates new version of the audio video from the audio. Note the video we generated doesn't have audio, it's silent. I'm not going into the other features in the application, room staging, adding objects, viewing from different angles, creating 3D objects, or integrating into Canva. If you want details on those, you can find them in the YouTube descriptions. When you show a room or listing videos to clients, adding audio makes big difference. Silent clips feel flat. A bit of calm room ambience, soft music or gentle nature sound sound makes the space feel real and lived in. Clients connect more with what they see when they hear it too. It feels more like being there than watching a mute slideshow. So when you present videos to buyers or clients, audio helps them imagine themselves in the space and feel better about it. To add audio videos, we use Audio V2 from Full AI. It takes your video and text prompt and generates synchronized sound, room ambience, music, or effects, so you get a new video with an audio track. There is no need to re-render the video. The model keeps the visuals and adds the audio. The application generates short clips, about 5 seconds, so the audio might feel subtle or not very noticeable in those snippets. That's normal. A few seconds of ambience don't have much time to sink in. Where audio really shines is on longer videos, full room tours, walkthroughs, or 30-60 second listings. In those cases, the same kind of calm room tone or soft ambience makes the space feel real and helps clients connect. Think of the 5-second output as preview. When you use this approach on real longer videos for clients, the audio makes the experience feel much better. Let's generate an audio from the video on the prompt. As you saw in the previous video, the audio was generated successfully. This time let's generate a video from a room picture and then add an audio to it. First we will generate a video without an audio. After that we can add an audio. We generated the video. Let's add an audio.